How to use the Metriks push and pull force gauge. To measure push forces, we need to add the push pad. The pad is 2.5 by 2 inches or 6.5 by 5 centimeters. It has a slotted adapter that fits snugly on the non-handle end of the gauge. The flat pad can be pressed against the surface of the object being moved, like a handcart, wheelbarrow, or pallet. It measures the peak push force in either pounds or kilograms. Turn the gauge on, wait for it to display 0, press the flat pad against the surface. The displayed force is the peak value. To take another measurement, ensure there is no force acting on the unit and press the 0 button. To measure pull force, we need to add one of the hooks. There is a carabiner-style snap hook or a hook with a screw bolt. Attach the hook to the non-handle end of the gauge. Now we need to add the strap. This is a tie-down strap that is typically used to lash a motorcycle to a truck bed. This one has a working weight of 300 pounds and a break point of 900 pounds, more than enough for our uses. I recommend attaching the carabiner hook to the eyelet for a more secure connection.
Don't record that.
Ready? Oh.
Wow. Holy crap. And then pulling this off how many times in a day?
Not every day, but
Yeah.
maybe.
Okay.
What'd you get up to?
108.
108.